I didn't steal in the PlayStation 5. Wanna know earlier? Here, Sonic, I got this PlayStation 5 for your birthday. Wow! Wow! Wow, really? Thank you so much. Here, the Sonic gun. And then police officer and put him in jail. Wow, I'm sure that love to PlayStation. Hey, where's the seat? Oh no, officer. I for the gift. Is I not to buy it? Is for gift. The gift. Are you going to steal person's wife? Arrest him, officer. He's a thief. Arresting officer. You are thief. I didn't steal the PlayStation 5. Please, subscribe. Bantuin si Sonic. Officer. Check them. No need. You have to buy it. No, please, check, officer, check them. Alright, that's good. I'm going to skill President 5 for Sonic. Here, Sonic, I got this President 5 for your birthday. Oh, wow, really? Thank you so much. Oh, you lying. You under arrest, Shadow.